This is life-changing. I don't think I've ever eaten a hot dog like it. It is like a labyrinth of deliciousness. Okay, literally the birds are swarming. I think they want my food. I have eaten a lot of amazing food on this channel, and today it is no different. I'm going to be taste testing the best vegan food in Los Angeles, and thanks to QuickBooks sponsoring this video, I'm also going to be giving $5,000 away to a small business. Buckle up. Let's make someone's day. I've been an Intuit QuickBooks user for over a year now, and I couldn't do any of this that you see on my channel without them. And I'm so grateful that I get to partner with them again. Intuit QuickBooks is a financial tool that helps people and businesses organize their finances. For me and my business, they help me stay organized with my billing, my bookkeeping, and of course my taxes, which is very complicated, and I couldn't do any of that without Intuit QuickBooks. Over the last year, a lot of small businesses have really struggled to keep their doors open. Intuit QuickBooks has not only donated millions of dollars to help small businesses stay afloat this year, they also support small businesses who are giving back to their communities in a really real way. So you might remember last year, QuickBooks helped me give one of my favorite local coffee shops, Sip and Sonder, $5,000, which they used to build an in-house roaster for their business. This time, I'm headed to Earl's on Crenshaw, which is a legendary local Los Angeles hot dog stand turned storefront who sells some of the best, most talked about, and apparently most delicious vegan eats.
My name is Dwayne Earl. I'm one of the proud owners of Earl's Restaurant on Crenshaw. Started over 38 years ago with a hot dog cart that my brother built. Came out here from New York with Brooklynites. Went down to Venice Beach, saw some guys working a hot dog cart. My brother got the idea, went back, built his own hot dog cart, set up on the beach. And now this is where we're at, 3864 Crenshaw Boulevard. 90% of the restaurants in Los Angeles offer a vegan item. We went one step further. We offer a vegan menu. That way a vegetarian or a vegan can come into our restaurant and order pretty much the same thing that a meat eater would order. Unfortunately, COVID struck. It affected millions of people around the world. To this day, we have over 500,000 Americans that have perished from it. That's more than 3 world wars combined. Those are our grandparents, our aunts, our uncles, sisters, best friends, etc.
Gotta get going.
What we did, we stepped forward. We were able to provide healthy, nutritious meals to a lot of these senior citizens, to the disabled, to the immunocompromised.
Hi, how are you doing today? Looking all spazzy.
Since last year, we've probably done over 9,000 deliveries, and that's averaging a good 500 meals easily a week. Pulling up to these homes, we'll have 3 or 4 of our vehicles going to different parts of the city. It's like a battlefield.
Gonna double check those salads for me on that 51, please.
We've even had the LAPD come by and help us use one of their vans and make deliveries. The fire department comes and helps. You know, we're reaching out to everybody. Here at Earl's Restaurant, we use QuickBooks for our accounting, our payroll, and taxes. It's very user-friendly. I'm an old-school generation type person, and the less complex something is, where you could just do some quick, easy data entry, I'm happy with that.
Okay, so Earl's on Crenshaw is known for their mouth-watering, delicious vegan food. They have vegan hot dogs and vegan sandwiches. They also have non-vegan food options as well, but I'd never tried vegan comfort food, so I wanted to try all of their most popular dishes. So I'm gonna start with the Playas Punch. This tastes like a punch that your grandma would make. Not you, not your mom. This is grandma's punch. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I gotta start with a hot dog because that's one of the things they're most known for. This is their vegan dog. It has grilled onions, vegan A's, and their vegan chipotle and vegan cheese. Ready? That is a hot dog redefined. You take everything you know about a hot dog and throw it out the window. I don't think I've ever eaten a hot dog like it. Is a hot dog a sandwich? Up next is the vegan spicy link. It has vegan cheese, chili, jalapeno, raw onions, and mustard. From a girl who used to eat canned hot dogs as a child, this is more than a glow up. This is life-changing. All right, these vegan chili cheese fries are calling my name. It is like a labyrinth of deliciousness. Have you ever seen a more delicious looking vegetable, y'all? These are fries, vegan chili, vegan cheese, jalapenos, and maybe a pot of gold. I'm not sure. It looks amazing. Also So is chili a main dish, a side dish, a topping, a soup? Like, what is chili? These are the things I ask myself. So this is a strawberry cheesecake, vegan strawberry cheesecake that is. I love cheesecake, but sometimes it's a little too thick for my liking. This is almost more mousse-like. It has like a whipped kind of consistency, which I think I might prefer even more. This is the cookie dough cheesecake. If I could write a song about this, it would win a Grammy. Next is the vegan lemon delight. It's very lemony. It's so moist. It's so fresh. It is like melt in your mouth delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Moving into the vegan yellow chocolate. This needs to go into a cake-off. Like, it would win first prize, blue ribbon. This is the vegan chocolate cake. Now, I'm not a big chocolate cake gal, but when I saw it on the menu, I'm like, maybe I'm a vegan chocolate cake gal. Okay, literally the birds are swarming. I think they want my food. Gosh, I'm gonna have to change my pants. Not because anything crazy happened, just because I feel very full. I can't believe I forgot the burger. This is a vegan burger. It's vegan cheese and vegan chili and mustard and ketchup. You can customize all of these, by the way. This is just kind of what I ordered based off what I read online was delicious. Oh, wow. They brought more friends. Okay, you guys know I'm a burger fanatic. This is actually as delicious as a real beef burger. The texture is so realistic and so juicy and so good. How many times can I say so good in this video? It is so good though. Okay, now that I'm full to the brim with delicious eats, it is time to finally surprise Earls. So I left a balloon with a note saying there was a massive surprise inside. I'm going to call him right now and actually reveal what the surprise is. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Hello?
Hello, Erin.
Yes.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. We're great. This is Dwayne. I just found the balloon on the counter. What's going on here?
Well, I wanted to say thank you. This is my first time trying vegan hot dogs. They were so delicious and so good. So I'm working with QuickBooks and they wanted me to give you a donation on their behalf. And so there's a balloon and a pin and I want you to pop the balloon and see what's inside.
Okay, hold on one second. Here we go. What?
What does it say?
No way. Congratulations. Intuit QuickBooks is giving you $5,000. Are you guys serious?
Yes!
No way.
Wow. Look what I got.
I know!
You guys are awesome, man.
No. QuickBooks is doing all of this because you guys are awesome. You've done so much in the community during a time when it's been really difficult for your business and other businesses, and the way that you've given back is unmatched. And so they felt like when I talked to them about you, that you guys needed a little extra help. So I wanted to give that to you on their behalf, and I have to know, what do you think you'll use the money for?
Oh, this is definitely going towards meals. It's going towards deliveries. It's going towards the supplies for these meals.
This is going to go a long way. We're going to feed a lot of people with this, man.
I love
A lot of people.
Love it. Thank you so much. And I'm coming back. I'm coming back and I'm bringing friends. And the next time I can have a party, I'm catering with Earls.
We're doing the catering job. Make sure you bring your friends. We only have one rule. When you come here, make sure you're hungry.
Done. I'll eat even when I'm not hungry, so that's a perfect rule for me.
And Erin, I want to thank you. On behalf of Earl's Restaurant, we want to thank QuickBooks. Thank you for the donation. It's going to go a long way. We really appreciate you guys, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well, I will see you guys soon.
You have a blessed day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
I can't thank Intuit QuickBooks enough for partnering with me on this video and for truly keeping my business organized. If you're interested in some advice or resources for your own small business, check out the Intuit QuickBooks Resource Center below. And if you loved this video, which I certainly hope you did, make sure to thumbs this up, subscribe to my channel. Also, watch QuickBooks and I surprise one of my favorite coffee shops in LA with a huge donation for their business right here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with all your friends. See you soon.